Alrighty, we got this baby filled up. Michael R, appreciate you. Thank you, thank you. Let's get this party started. This is our Hail Mary football mixer number 4. This break is sold out. We are giving away 2 spots. We're also giving away 3 Father's Day packs and a Joe Burrow 9-mint rookie out of 2020 Chronicles. And the 3 packs will be a bundle, so not going to be separate. One person will get 3 packs. Good luck, everybody. Three day, 2 day, going to be 5 times. 5 times for the names, 5 times for the names. First 2 names at the top. Good luck. This is Hail Mary football. Hold the phones. Hail Mary football number 4. This will be for the spots, and it will be 5 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Michael R, Tony G, congratulations. Alrighty, next up will be for the Joe Burrow 9-mint rookie. Good luck. Five times, name at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Michael R, congratulations. Joe Burrow coming at you, baby. 9-mint rookie out of Chronicles draft picks. And last but not least will be the 3 Father's Day packs. They are a bundle of 3. One person will get 3. Good luck. Five times. Name at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Sam P, congratulations. 3 Father's Day packs coming at you. Yes, sir, Michael R. We just broke the first baseball. Can't remember, the top shelf baseball. And now we got this one filled up. Thank you, thank you. Alrighty, giveaways complete. Rolling for the names. Rolling for the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes of football coming right up. Bam. 4 days, 2 days, 6 times. 6 times for the names. 6 times for the teams. Good luck to all of you. Hail Marty, holy. Hail Mary football number 4. This is for the names. And it will be 6 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Michael R at the top, Michael R at the bottom. 6 times for the team, 6 times for the team, 6 of them, 6 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Eagles at the top, Titans at the bottom. Read everybody in between low fields or trades, and we have 6 boxes of football ready to go. Here we go. Michael R, Eagles and the Bills. Only see Texans. Sam P, Patriots. Michael R, Raiders. Only see Jets. Michael R, Falcons. Tony G, Fiends up. Michael R, Bolts, Bears, and the Chiefs. Duncan C, Broncos. Michael R, Niners. Tony G, Colts. Michael R, Jags. Michael R, Cardinals. Adam C, Packers. Michael R, Panthers, Rams, Lions, Bucks, and the Ravens. Tony G, Brownies, Eric N, football team. Travis F, Saints. Michael R, Vikes, Steelers, Stripes, Seahawks, Cowboys. Duncan C, Giants. Michael R, tighten up, baby. Trading block is opened. Giants have a trade. We have one select 2020 in this break. It's a blaster box, and then the rest of this break is from this year's draft class, 2021. So we got one 2020, and the rest of it is from this year. Yes, it is. Giants. Giants. Let's go. Texans, Brownies, Saints, Giants. Let's go, let's go. Saints for the New York Football Giants. Saints for the New York Football Giants. Let's go. Saints for the Giants. We got ourselves a trade. Duncan C got the Saints. And Travis F, you have the New York Football Giants. Congratulations. Head about the years. Running block is closed. Good luck. Texans for the Brownies. Texans for the Brownies. Let's go. Nothing? Alrighty then. Good luck. Never mind, we got ourselves another trade. Texans for the Brownies. Tony G of the Houston Texans. Whoa, let me undo that. And Oli C of the Cleveland Brownies. Congratulations to both of you. Trading block is closed. Good luck. I believe this is the first blaster box we've opened on this channel. Looking for our blue prism die cuts. 3 of them things. Good luck. Antonio Gandy Golden for the football team. Blue Power. A rookie. Jonathan Taylor base for the Colts. Jeff Okuda. We have an orange Sam Donald for the New York Jets concourse. Hot Star CMC for the Panthers. And an Aaron Rodgers for the Green Bay Packers. Quack, quack, baby, for the Bolts rookie, Justin Herbert. There we go, Los Angeles. Concourse rookie. Mr. Quack, quack himself, baby, that's a rookie. And we have a silver club level for the Raiders. Henry Ruggs III. There we go, Las Vegas. Silver club level rookie, Henry Ruggs III. And a blue Jerry Rice for the Niners. Blue Power. That is the concourse. And a Jeff Okuda for the Kitties. Club level base. 3 packs. We'll go Legacy next. James Morgan for the Jets. Ooh, orange KJ Hamlever. What? Hamlever. KJ Hamler club level. Holy. Must be Monday night or something. There we go, Denver. Wow. KJ Hamler club level orange for the Denver Broncos. I guess KJ Hamlever probably sounds a little better. And a blue Chanel Jr. for the Jags. And a Cesar Ruiz for the Saints. Last pack. Ooh, quack quack on the back. Is that baby silver? Oh, come on. I thought that was silver. Still gorgeous club level. Quack quack. Justin Harper. That's a rookie, baby. Here we go, bolts. All right, select blaster complete. Legacy next. Big Ben Roethlisberger, $1.99 for the Pittsburgh Steelers. Yes, sir. Little quack quack coming at you, baby. I was trying to make that thing silver. I was trying to sway. Sean Wade for the Ravens. And Devontae Smith for the Eagles. Zach Wilson on the back. Mark Brunell on the front. Little Optichrome for the Denver Broncos. Patrick Surtain the second rookie. Go Denver. Dan Marino, Penny Sewell, and a Zach Wilson for the New York Jets. That's a rookie, baby. Zach Thomas, let him in for the Fiends, baby. Charles Woodson. For the Green Bay Packers, Donald Driver, 2/5 legends. Green Bay Packers going to Adam C. Nice hit. It's a sick auto. Donald Driver, 2/5. Holy. Another Green Bay Packer, Aaron Rodgers, baby. Prime time for the Dirty Birds to $2.99. Nico Collins for the Houston Texans. Kyle Pitts, chrome base for the Dirty Birds. Some silver on that thing. Woody Pay for the Colts. LT for the Bolts. Brown Hollywood and Tony Totap. Ravens and the Bucks. That is going to Michael R. Mike Ditka for the Bears. Tampa Brady and a Miles Sanders Optichrome Mini for the Eagles. Former Nittany Lion. Tremendous. Tory Big Game Holt. And we got our mini. Stay right there. Red mini for the Dallas Cowboys. Number to 75, Micah Parsons. There we go, Dallas. 11 out of 75 jersey number. How about that? Another knitted line, baby. Keenan Allen for the Bolts. Flashback. Tiki Barber for the New York Football Giants. Javon Curse, the Freak for the Tennessee Titans to 199. A little orange. Trey Sermon for the Niners and a Felton for the Brownies. Caleb Farley, chrome base for the Tennessee Titans. Rookie. Cowboys and the Bills, that is Michael R. Joe Thomas for the Brownies. Let's get his auto. All right, got something thick right here. What is this? Come on now. All sorts of thick, baby. All sorts of thick for the Niners. Number to 50, holy Ricky Waters. Bam. Legacy Portrait 2-colored patch auto Ricky Waters for the Niners, San Fran. Going to Michael R. Sweet hit. That is a player worn, player used. Ricky Waters for the Niners. Got a legend box. Donald Driver and Ricky Waters. Holy. Crazy box. Yes, sir. Sweet hit. Definitely never expecting a Ricky Waters auto. Always thinking it's either going to be a rookie or maybe a second year. Got two legends in that thing. 149 Khalil Mack for the Bears. Make that 299. Whoopsie. Quarterback Trey Lance for the Niners. Rookie. Been awesome if it was a Trey Lance. Still haven't pulled Trey Lance autos out of Panini products. Only pulled them out of Leaf so far. Where is he? Where is he? Where's he at? 2 bags. Steve Young for the Niners. Quarterback for the New England Patriots. Under the lights. Mac Jones. Base. Still beautiful. With the hits from this break, we got 2. We need 9 more. Both offense, too. We need 9 more legends. 9 of them. All right, legacy complete. We'll go Leaf Draft, Leaf Ultimate next. All right, here we go. First up for the Miami Dolphins, number 3 out of 4. Orange Wave, Javon Holland. Fins up, baby. Miami. Going to Tony G, 3 out of 4. Javon Holland. Quack, quack, baby. Next up for the I have no clue. Number to 25, Marvin Williams. Looks like a linebacker. There's no way he's a running back. Blue Ice, Marvin Williams. Gotta look him up. Marvin Wilson. Maybe that's why I can't find him. You gotta be kidding me. Marvin Wilson. Are you serious? Punter? He is a D tackle for the Cleveland Brownies. Cleveland. Going to. Brownies going to. Oh, we traded them, didn't we? It's going to Ole C. Marvin Wilson. Wow. Ooh, nice one here for the Panthers, baby. Purple Marble, Terrence Marshall Jr., Carolina. Going to Michael R. Team colors on that thing. Nice hit. Ooh, another team color. Number to 30, Terrence Marshall Jr. for the Carolina Panthers. Yes, it does. And another team color for the Baltimore Ravens, Tylan Wallace. That's number to 7, Baltimore. Going to Ravens. Going to Michael R. Nice looking card. Ooh, there we go, baby. There we go. Next up, we got a quarterback. Out of the University of Alabama, baby. Roadside Hoop, Mac Jones. Well, bam. Blue Marble, Mac Jones for the Patriots. New England. Going to Sam P. Nice hit. Mac Jones, Blue Marble, 22 out of 40. Tremendous. Yes, sir. That thing was popping. Little OSU action. That OSU orange, baby. You serious? I think he was like a 3rd or 4th round pick too. He should be getting some playing time. I know they got Sammy Watkins too, but all right, Leaf Ultimate next, and then we'll go Contenders and Prism Draft. But first, yes, sir. Mac Jones loves this place. Guys all over the place. First time seeing this one out of Leaf Ultimate Future Stars, and we got 2 of them. 25 out of 25, Javion Hawkins for the Dirty Birds. Going to Michael R. And as soon as I say that, we got another one for the Miami Dolphins Futures. Number to 50, Hunter Long, Miami. Going to Tony G. Next up for the New England Patriots, Ramondre Stevenson. Number 299, New England. Going to Sam P. Can never hit the Patriots. I think we're gonna, once football kind of gets a little closer to the beginning of the season, we'll probably start doing a little more PYTs. But just feel like the last few PYTs we've listed with 2021 products in it, nobody's really been interested because I don't think a lot of people maybe know the rookies, or I'm not sure what it is, but hopefully we'll do a PYT and you can snag them. Next up for the Jacksonville Jaguars, number to 35 out of Georgia, baby, Tyson Campbell. Jacksonville. Going to Michael R. Beautiful. And last but not least, wide receiver for the New York Jets, number to 35, Elijah Moore. New York. Going to Ole C. On Ole Miss, Elijah Moore for the New York Jets. Something in the water over there in Ole Miss, baby. Holy, A.J. Brown, DK Metcalf, Elijah Moore. I guess it's, you know, the jury is still out, but people high on him. All right, contenders next. Let's get a little ice, baby. Come on. Easy with that knife there, sonny. Thing is sharp. For the Jacksonville Jaguars, Walker Little. Jacksonville. Going to Michael R. with a big man. Yes, it is. That is for certain. That is for certain. I got no arguments there. None whatsoever. Quarterback, Aaron Rodgers for the Green Bay Packers. Adam Thielen for the Vikes. Chris Rump the second. Are you serious? I think we had him the other night. I have no clue. But I'm pretty sure he has a team. Yes, he does. Playing for the Bolts, baby, Los Angeles. Going to Michael R. with a Rump the second. King Henry. Tighten up, baby. A little juice for the Brownies. A little love. Jordan Smith out of UAB. I've never seen this man's autograph. I gotta look him up. Jaguars rookie. Jordan Smith, Jacksonville. Going to Michael R. And a conference finals ticket number to 99, Deontay Johnson for the Pittsburgh Steelers. Yes, you do. Alabama is not the place if you're looking for quarterbacks. That is for certain. Unless you're looking for quarterbacks in, you know, the early 1960s. My God. T.J. Watt for the Pittsburgh Steelers. For the Seattle Seahawks, Cade Johnson, base auto, Seattle. Going to Michael R. What a Cade Johnson. Holy. Juju Smith-Schuster for the Pittsburgh Steelers. 2 packs. Diggsy for the Buffalo Bills. For the Dirty Birds, Frank Darby, campus ticket number 1099. No, I do not. DeAndre Hopkins, campus. Last pack. Quarterback Daniel Jones. And for the Tennessee Titans, not Tre'Davious White. How about a Brady White, number 299, Campus, Tennessee. Going to Michael R. Tre'Davious White for the Buffalo Bills. Contenders complete. Prism Hobby next. Come on, let's get that color blast, baby. 1 out of 30 cases. Oh, that would be tremendous. Nuke for the Red Sea. For the I have no clue, number 149, Darius Hodge. Former Thundering Herd. I'm pretty sure he does have a team. I gotta look him up. Yes, he does. Playing for the Stripes, baby. Cincinnati. Going to Stripes, going to Michael R. Ooh, look at this. Zach Wilson for the New York Jets. Ruby. Melted Ice for the Dirty Birds, number 299. Marquez Stevenson, silver rookie for the Buffalo Bills. Jamar Chase base and a Frymouth for the Steelers. Quarterback Phil Rivers. Oh my gosh, come on, baby. Give me something here. 149, Spencer Brown. Who the hell is this? You have got to be kidding me. Gotta look him up. I am not seeing anything for Mr. Brown. Unless you guys find something. He's going to the randomizer. Ruby, Joshua Kelly for the Bolts. Ooh, Mosaic draft picks on Thursday. Let me know, Michael R. Let me know what you get. Myles Garrett, 149. Pink or purple ice for the Brownies. Quarterback Matthew Stafford for the Rams. Save. Well, there's a Jay Fields Crusade base. Brown was the UAB running back for the last few years. Yes, he was. But he does not have a team. He's got to step it up. Oh, you went to UAB? That's awesome. You go to UAB when Joe Webb was the quarterback? Quarterback, Jarrett Stidham. All right, this is getting ridiculous. Hyper KJ Britt. Wow. That is the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Tampa Bay. Going to Michael R. Come on. Oh, there we go. Finally. How about a Trey Lance? Bam. Here we go, Niners. We got Trey Lance and Zach Wilson at least helping us out. Holy. Chris Evans, 199 for the Cincinnati Bengals. Spencer Brown was on the Panthers? Is that what you said? Ooh, nice one here for the Jets. Silver, Zach Wilson, baby. Crusade. That's a rookie. Micah Parsons base and a Daz Newsome. Yes, it really does. It really does. But we got a couple packs left. For the Raiders, 199, Trayvon Mulrig, Las Vegas. Going to Raiders. Where we at? Come on, going to Michael R. with a Trayvon Mulrig. Yes, Captain America, baby. Diggsy for the Buffalo Bills. Ruby, team colors. Nice looking card. Spencer Brown is the Panthers. I believe you. I don't think anybody would really care too much, so I guess Spencer Brown is going to the Panthers. Carolina. Going to Michael R. Blue Wave, Kareem Hunt for the Brownies. That is to 249. Out of Toledo, baby. Silver, Keenan Allen for the Bolts. Last pack. A little juice. Quack, quack. Trey McKitty, 149 for the Bolts. Los Angeles. Going to Michael R. What a Trey McKitty. Wow. Ruby. Bateman for the Ravens. DC. Sounds good to me. Spencer Brown coming at you, baby. You just write that on the sticky note here. Daz Newsome, red for the Brownies. Or for the Bears, excuse me, 299. Daz Newsome for the Bears. Sorry about that. Silver, Najee Harris for the Steelers. There we go, Pitt. Mulrig and a Najee Harris. Alrighty, quick recap. Whoops, that should have been over there. And our autos and our nice short printed stuff. McKitty for the Bolts. We got DC picking up the Spencer Brown. Mulrig for the Raiders. Zach Wilson, silver. Trey Lance, Ruby. KJ Britt, Zach Wilson, Ruby. Darius Hodge, Brady White. Elijah Moore for the Jets. Hunter Long for the Fiends. Mac Jones for the Patriots. Nice one there to 40. Tylan Wallace, number to 7, I'm pretty sure. Yes, it is. Marshall Jr. Ricky Waters, patch auto, number to 50. And a Donald Driver, number to 5 for the Green Bay Packers. Congratulations, everybody. That wraps up the Hail Mary football mix at number 4. Looks like a few spots have sold. In the first base baseball coming up next. 2 spots left. I'll be right back. Thanks again, everybody.